Developments continue in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, and we bring you the top 4 updates. Number 1. Times Now has shared a picture of a poetic note written by Sushant to his eldest sister Priyanka, who according to Ria's chats, he had described as pure evil. In the note, Sushant refers to his sister as Sona Chidiya, perhaps a reference to his film Son Chiriya. In this note to his sister, Sushant shares his emotions about how special she was to him and writes at one point that she is the deserving keeper of my mother's light. Now, whether relations soured after this note was written and then there was a falling out as alleged in the screenshots of Ria's chat is a matter to be verified. The investigations continue in full swing in the Sushant Singh Rajput demise case, and one would imagine that we're getting closer to the truth, but unfortunately it seems like things are only getting more and more complicated and convoluted with each passing day. Every day there is some sensational revelation and allegation that is posed, and one doesn't know what actually to believe and what not. Well, unfortunately, we were hoping that we would get to the truth and to the bottom of what actually happened to Sushant, but unfortunately, it just seems like we're getting further and further away from it, and things only keep getting more and more complicated. Here's the story. Number 2. Sushant's sister Meetu Singh also appeared before the Enforcement Directorate today after Ria Chakravarti, her brother Shovik and her manager Shruti Modi all spent several hours answering questions posed by officials from the ED. Meetu was also the first of Sushant's siblings to reach his home after his demise. She was escorted by female police officers who protected her from getting mobbed by waiting press persons. In what could be another setback to Ria, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager Shruti Modi has allegedly made startling revelations to the ED. Shruti, who was called to submit a few documents related to the money laundering case against Ria and her family that the ED is investigating, allegedly has told the officials that she came into the picture soon after Sushant started dating Ria. सूत्रों का कहना है that while she denied knowledge of any financial irregularities and illegal transactions, उन्होंने ये allege किया है कि सुशांत के सारे financial और professional decisions रिया लेती थी. This only strengthens the family's accusations against Ria about exercising too much control on Sushant. Sushant Singh Rajput's father, Mr. KK Singh's lawyer Vikas Singh, has said that though the Supreme Court has reserved its verdict in Ria Chakrabarti's plea seeking the transfer of the case against her from Bihar to Mumbai, he is confident that the matter will move to the CBI. Vikas Singh was responding after the Apex Court heard arguments from both sides about the case filed by Sushant's father in Bihar and naming Ria as the main accused. Responding to allegations made by Ria's team that Sushant's demise is being blown out of proportion and attempts are being made to gain political mileage out of this tragedy, Mr. Vikas Singh said the complainant is only seeking justice for avenging the death of his son. He lost his son. The consequences of criminal breach of trust are in Patna, so I am sure the matter will go to CBI. We have been responsible and haven't jumped to judgment in our complaint. How is the election issue important in this case? आखिर सच कैसे सामने आएगा और क्या सीबीआई का प्रोब शक और आधे सच के चक्रव्यूह से इस केस को निकाल पाएगा? These are the questions that are on everyone's minds. We will keep bringing you all the updates.